Welcome back to Lamarque Crescent City Ford. My name is Shelton Jordan. Today I have the 2026 Ford F-550 with the 6.7 diesel engine. It also has a Conyers 16-foot flatbed. Let me show you what's special about this vehicle.
This 2026 Ford F-550 regular cab comes equipped with a Conyers 16-foot flatbed built to handle tough jobs and heavy workloads. It features a Payload Plus Package, dual rear wheels, platform running boards, a 2.5-inch receiver hitch with trailer plug, a sliding track with winch bar and straps, a spare tire rack, backup camera, remote start, a 40-gallon aft axle fuel tank, and a heavy service front suspension. Whether you're hauling equipment, building materials, or oversized loads, this F-550 is engineered for dependable performance day after day.
And remember, if you have any questions about this truck or any truck on our lot, regular cab, extended cab, or crew, let us build the right truck for you. My name is Shelton Jordan. I thank you and I appreciate your business.